So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bank of America call options here in Canada, ticker symbol BAC on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Now once you're here, if you're on the options tab, you can press on more at the bottom right, press on more. Simply just scroll down until you come across Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. So for me, it's right here, or what you can do, which is probably a little bit simpler, is to exit out of this, go back to this Discover tab right here, press on where it says search here at the top, and type in ticker symbol BAC for Bank of America. So two options down, it says Bank of America Corp with options, press on that right there, press on buy, and then press on options. Now once you're here, if you want to go ahead and make sure that you are buying call options, at the top here where it says BAC will rise by, press on rise and make sure that call option is checked. If you want to change the expiry date, press on the date right here, buy, and then you can go ahead and change the expiry date to whatever you want. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and press on a strike price that you wish to secure the options for. So if you wanted to go in the money for $27 USD, for example, you can press on this option right here, this strike price right here. Then to finalize your purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy. So that is how you guys can buy Bank of America call options here in Canada. Ticker symbol BAC here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.